I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've ever had a WhatsApp group suspended, you know how frustrating it can be. Here is how to recover it step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure you are logged in with the account that was the admin of the suspended group. Step 2. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications from WhatsApp regarding a suspension. This could provide details on why the group was suspended and any actions you need to take. Step 3. Contact WhatsApp support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient and wait for WhatsApp to respond. It may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response in a week, follow up with WhatsApp support. Sometimes they may need a nudge to address your request. Recovering a suspended group can take some time, but following these steps should help you get it back. Good luck, and I hope you re-chatting with your group again soon.